break statement breaks out of the innermost enclosing for loop or while loop. All right. So the break statement is always used on a loop to break or for stop an iteration once a certain condition is true. All right. You can think about the break statement this way. Okay. You can think about the break statement this way. Assuming you are given a container which contains a different kinds of fruits and you are asked to search or check if banana is in that container. All right. You are given a container which the container contains different kinds of fruits and you are asked to check if banana is in that container. Okay. Now what do you have to do? You have to be bringing out the fruits in that container one after the other till you get to banana. Now, after you must have gotten to banana, there's no more need to keep on bringing out other fruits because at the moment they are not useful because they are not needed. All right. So once you are bringing out all the fruits from the container and you get to banana, you're looking for banana. Once you get to banana, you stop. There's no more need. After you must have gotten banana, there's no more need of bringing out other fruits because at the moment they're not useful because they are not needed. So once you get to banana, stop bringing out other fruits. This is how break statement works. Okay, so this is how break statement works. We use the break statement to stop looping through maybe a list if we found what we are looking for. We use it to stop a loop if we have found what we are looking for. All right. For example,